Adventure Rack Systems are a unique carrying system for your Jeep that provides the most strength, rigidity, and stability over any other rack system, providing the highest rated load capacity available. ARS uses factory locations for a bolt-on application with minimal modification. The 2-inch tube diameter is super strong and provides added exoskeleton-like protection to the window frame and rear corners while keeping loads from swaying. ARS has created a structure that safely handles extreme cargo loads for your Jeep. ARS is the only rack that features a load-bearing front hoop without the need for additional support. This strength is the bedrock that allows our rack systems to withstand fore and aft thrust and side load forces. The front hoop is designed for convenience and has welded-on grab handles on both sides. The front hoop bolts directly to the front window assembly for maximum strength. The hoop requires no drilling or body modification and is secured into place using industrial-grade corrosion-resistant hardware. The rear hoop columns are attached with 7-gauge steel base anchors and flexural footings that create an understructure connecting the frame of the Jeep to the hoop for the strongest attachment point. The flexural footings, coupled to our 2-inch OD steel support columns through 2-part urethane bushings, provide flexural rigidity between the frame and body mounts, allowing the front and rear foundations to work in unison to support the cargo structure. Roof trusses are made from strong 2-inch OD steel tube and are attached with CNC billet clamps to the fore and aft hoop columns that hold with a combined force of 800 pounds. The roof trusses have been engineered with forward slopes to reduce outward forces on the front body mounted hoop columns and are positioned for the lowest center of gravity possible when at capacity. The JK rack will support up to 350 pounds of dynamic weight and over 850 pounds quasi-static loads, allowing you to stack whatever you need onto your Jeep. ARS offers accessories that will make your system even more useful, like that catwalk bridge, the only overhood bridge that gives a sturdy platform to stand on, roof packs for loading gear onto, or the Pro Step flip-down step for a stable access point to help you get to the hard-to-reach areas on top of your rig, along with a load of brackets and clamps to get your gear mounted and secure. The ARS family of products are made proudly here in the USA, developed and engineered by Jeepers for Jeepers looking to maximize the utility of their rigs. Set your Jeep up to get your gear secure. Get it safely to your adventure destination with the JK Adventure Rack System. It's the best choice for a cargo carrying system for your Jeep. Available now from Adventure Rack Systems, the world's premier adventure rack for Jeeps.